Microsoft Form ialah di mana kita boleh buat kita punya survey, kita punya quiz ataupun polling lah. Alright. So di sini kita boleh create Microsoft Forms, quizzes, polls, alright. And then kita boleh invite kita punya organisation punya orang untuk put in a response or even outsider as well. And the best thing is kita boleh juga create kita punya own QR code di mana bila orang scan QR code tu dia boleh buka from the phone. Okay, let's create a new form lah. Okay. Quiz nanti kita akan go through as well. So let's say I'm going to click on a new form. When you click on the new form, what actually happen, dia akan buka another page and then dia akan kata, okay, what's the name of this, what's the title of this form. Kita boleh specify sama ada it is a short answer or a long answer. Kalau short answer tu macam nama, okay. Long answer tu maksudnya dia akan type panjang macam remark ke apa ke, you can specify as such. Saya boleh add a new question, click a new question. So let's say I nak indicate a choice, alright, a choice, alright, a choice. So saya nak kata, okay, this one is gender. Notice that here it says women, men, non-binary, prefer not to say. Awesome tak? Once you are ready, okay, once you dah ready kat sebelah sini you can also change the style. Mana background ni kan. So sometimes you want to make it more cantik lah. So in this case I can put in some graphics behind here, you see, moving graphics here. So whenever you want to share this out, you have to go to settings. So by default, right, dia kata sini only people in my organization can respond. We can also indicate the forms to have open to a certain period of time. You can specify a start date and end date. So you tak payah nak every time, oh, I think the close ready. So in this case, we can straight away put a timer or put a date, start date and end date, so that when you reach to this time already, automatically the form will close. Saya boleh customize the thank you message. Thank you, the message that means by default is thank you, your response have been submitted. Okay, so maybe that I can say that terima kasih. Kalau let's say saya nak buat macam analysis ke apa, nak buat report, alright, takkan nak tunjuk macam ni kan. So kat sebelah sini kita nampak ada open in Excel. Bila saya klik open in Excel, dia akan download the file, dia akan keluar macam ni. So this is dia punya report lah. So whenever you have an event, you definitely have tasks, and the tasks need to be assigned to persons to complete, and you need to have a what I call it, a monitoring system that helps you to monitor all the tasks that have been assigned to your staff and to yourself and to the entire team. Planner is a simple task management, but it's not as good as a project. Dia bukan project. Project is much more drill down, whereby planner is lebih kepada task. When you want to create a plan, if you have an existing team, if you have an existing SharePoint, if you have an existing Microsoft Teams, and you want to use the same members to be in this planner, what you need to do is you create a plan. When you create a plan, you can choose the apa dia panggilnya, the sample that's available here. You can create a simple plan, you can create a project management, you do a software development, employee onboarding, or a business plan. So when I click this, right, immediately it brings me in, and you can see on the top here, you can see the members. Automatically all the members that you key in just now, that means that's been entered here, right, is already here. You will see that the planner, right, dia akan tunjuk like a segment tau, atau a section called buckets. Task here, it will appear as a card. When I add a task, right, I can just type in here. Let's say, for example, okay, for Dr. Austin training, okay, we need to find the trainer. Okay, find the trainer. If let's say you want to drill down some more, the task right here, you can just click onto the card here. Click on the card, right? Dia akan apa dia panggilnya, open up more detailed information lah. So bawah sini also we can also specify a checklist. Maybe that the checklist is that well versed in English and DM, handsome. Usually bucket ni is good if let's say you want to separate your event into multiple stages. Microsoft Defender is basically a protection track. This Microsoft Defender is a cloud based, whereby it helps to protect your email.